Howdy, partner. Welcome to my bathroom. Today's project, I have this pop-up thing in my sink. Do this, nothing happens. As you can see, this leak. So let's see what the problem is. If you look under here, hello, that thing is completely broke off the pipe. So if you look at the pipe, it is hard to see what the heck I'm looking at. Look at, there's the broken off piece on the drain pipe of the sink. And there it is again. So we need to replace this whole piece right there. Okay, it's good to see this video is off to a good start already. Up to my normal standard of quality, low. So I got the pop-up piece out. Now I'll go back underneath. Alright, now I'm going to try to take the trap off. Okay. Now, try loosening this. We already got water dripping. Install the drain pan and yowza. We'll save that for later. Okay, now we need to remove that nut and see if we can get this out. Holy cow. Holy cow. Whole thing's turning. This wrench is too big. Ow. Huh. This is not going well. Alright, try sticking a screwdriver in the hole as a thing. Oh, there we go. Another year and we'll have this thing done. Time for a break. It's not exactly spinning right off, if you haven't noticed. Alright. See if I have enough slop in there that I can undo the top part. Alright, so let's see what happens when I push up. Oh yeah, look at that. Woo! So I can unscrew this from the top part. And there we go. Ain't that fancy. Now I will clean this crap off of here. Jeez, wish I had some water. Oh wait. Oops. So this is the new piece. You can see the piece is not rotted off. Got the fancy cover with the tissue paper for protection. So let's install it. Okay, I got some plumber's putty here. Take a glob of it. Holy man. What's a glob? And I'm going to mold it into a rope thingy. Like that. Now I take this part here and I'm going to do it like that, so I cover up the threads, and that way when I go to thread the thing together it won't work and it'll make a big mess and I'll be cussing and looking like a dum-dum. Okay, and now we have a big mess. Now back to this action scene here. I'll place this in the hole and squish it. We will clean up the excess goop later. Now from the bottom side, I will attempt to insert and thread in this into the goo. See, before I do this, I put pipe joint compound on these threads for later. Because these have been known to leak in the past. Believe it or not, I have learned something from my mistakes in the past, even though it doesn't look like I know anything. I don't know much, but every screw up is a learning experience. Okay, something like that, I guess. Now I have to aim the thing toward the back and tighten up we got the washer here. Put some pipe dope in there because it tends to leak through here. Can't see anything, huh? My arm's in the way. Probably should not have backed it off as far as I did. Huh? Oh well, another learning experience. So 10 years from now when I do this again, I'll remember that maybe. Don't pinch your finger in the wrench. That hurts. Oh, there's another fancy piece in here I didn't realize. Look at that thing. I'd say that could use some pipe sealant. Make it hard for the next guy to get apart. Or easy, I don't know if this goes up over time or not. Maybe not. Now let's get the thing started. Oh, yeah. Okay. Pliers action maybe. Okay, now for the fun part. Okay, I'm going to take this apart. As you can see, it's in the second hole from the bottom. Maybe you can't see, but take my word for it. That was the old part. Okay, as you can see, this part here goes inside the pipe like this, and then the rod activates this, and then this is the pop-up part, which you can insert it two ways, either through the hole like this or like this, which then you can remove the pop-up thing for easy cleaning or whatnot. So, I think I'll opt for option B. So that means I do not have to put it in and then try to feed this through the hole. I will stick this in like so. Tighten up the nut. There, hopefully it's in the frame. And I will take this fancy clip off, put it into second hole from the bottom again, except I forgot to put this part on first. I think that's important. There we go, something like that. I'll put the nut on and this fancy little seal. That should slide up on there, and this should slide up in here. Tighten my nut. Oh, wow. Tricky. Can't see that part. There it is. Like that. Now back over here. Like that. And let's see. Maybe a little pliers action here. Not too much because I don't want to break this thing. But it's got gook on it like it was leaking once. Alright. Now, I will test for leaks maybe. I'll also peel off the excess goop on the top side. Any leaks? None so far. Okay, I'm going to stick this down the hole. See if it fills up with water. Okay, so let's release this water and see if it leaks underneath. Okay, failure. Failure. Uh-oh. Somehow I got the third hole, not the second hole on this thing. Rewind. I got the right hole. Let's see. That's not very impressive now, is it? Huh. There we go. Check for leaks and I'll try to figure out why that don't work. Okay, my battery died. The problem why it wouldn't work is because this pipe or the rod was at the wrong angle. The pipe was turned, so it was not coming in at a straight angle, and then thus it was off center inside the pipe. So I had to rotate this with the pliers to make it straight. I also inserted the rod through the hole in the pop-up piece so that it's positively actuated now. Which means it will not come out. It's held in by the rod. But it does now operate. and we were able to fill the sink. And unfill the sink. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.